Okay guys, it's absolutely teeming down. It's the rainy season here in Japan, and me and the boy, we're going to the 7-Eleven in the rain because we're mad. Isn't that right, Ren?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're crazy. And it's nighttime too. Alright, watch out, here's a car. Ugh. And to, oh crap, and to make it even more crazy, we're wearing sandals. Oh yeah, there's nothing sensible about us two when we go to the 7-Eleven in the rain. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you going to buy in 7-Eleven?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. You're going to buy some beer?
Yes.
Yes. Uh-oh. She's not really going to buy some beer. Alright. So we'll just go and take a walk down the road here to the 7-Eleven. And what we'll do a non-cut video all the way down to the 7-Eleven. What time is it? About 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's about 8 p.m. now. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice stream of water going down the road. Ugh. My feet are soaked. Your feet wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the reason we're not wearing shoes is because we've got to wear our shoes tomorrow and we don't want our shoes getting soaking wet. My socks are soaking. Oh yeah, anyway, yeah, in July it's the rainy season in Japan and it rains a lot. I mean, a real lot. So much rain that lots of places get flooded, especially those places in the countryside. So yeah, this is the time of the year you don't want to be living in the countryside. There's a pizza bike there. Shit! Bloody hell, just nearly fell over. Was that funny, Ren?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wasn't bloody funny. I nearly went flat on my ass then. And that place over there, that is a juku. Juku means cram school, so that's where kids study when school is finished. So they'll study their weekends, after school hours, you know, things like that. There's a kid over there. I'm going to change the camera to the other hand. So you can hear the noise there of all the water rushing. Actually, the water's underneath me in the sewer, or the drainage sewer I should say, not toilet water sewer. Yeah. So if it doesn't stop raining, then the water's going to end up bubbling through those holes in the grates. There goes the pizza bike. Shall we video inside 7-Eleven too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, okay. It's a nice house. Okay, here's the 7-Eleven. Bins there for all your rubbish. We'll put our umbrellas in here. It's safe, no one's going to steal them, hopefully. Let's get the lens clean. Ice cream. What are you going to buy? Some of these. I'm going to buy beer. Are these the crisps that are super crunchy? They're the super crunchy crisps?
Yeah.
I'll have some of those. What your mum want? What does your mum want? Do they have it? Curry shrimp flavour.
はい、では600円余りはい、どうもありがとうございます。
Thank you. Going back this way. It's still recording. It's still recording. Alright, so we've got our food from the 7-Eleven and now we'll head back home. So Ren bought Coca-Cola. What did you buy?
Chocolate. Big chocolate.
Cola and big chocolate, yeah. And his mum got some peanut chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got peanut chocolate, some very crispy crisps or potato chips, and a beer. Nice. All right. Until next time, guys. Take it easy. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.